controller drift can be frustrating, especially in a game like Rocket League where precision is key. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix controller drift issues. Step 1. Inspect the controller. Check for any visible debris or dirt around the analog sticks. Dust and grime can cause the sticks to register movement even when they are not being touched. Clean the area gently with a soft cloth. Step 2. Calibrate the controller. Access your console or PC settings to calibrate the controller. This process could help reset the analog stick sensitivity and dead zones, potentially resolving drift issues. Follow the on-screen instructions for calibration. Step 3. Update firmware. Ensure that your controller's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that could fix bugs and improve performance. Check the official website or the console settings for any available updates. Step 4. Adjust dead zones in game settings. Launch Rocket League and navigate to the controller settings. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help prevent minor drift from affecting gameplay. Step 5. Test with another controller. If the drift persists, try using a different controller to see if the issue is hardware related. If the new controller works without drift, it may be time to repair or replace the original controller. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift and improve your gaming experience in Rocket League. Good luck!